Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today's video is about the power of micro-teaching. Micro-teaching is a teaching method where teachers practice their pedagogical skills in small groups or individually with a few students or peers or a group of teachers for a short period of time. Teachers are given the opportunity to practice teaching a short lesson. Typically, it's like 15 to 30 minutes with a small group of students or their peers or sometimes teachers who provide feedback on the teacher's instruction. This creates a safe and constructive environment for teachers to improve their teaching skills, which they can bring back to their classroom. Let's talk about the benefits of the micro-teaching. Micro-teaching can provide numerous benefits to teachers in terms of their career development. Some of these benefits are here. Number 1, improve teaching skills. Micro-teaching allows teachers to practice and refine their teaching skills in a safe and supportive environment. By receiving feedback from colleagues or mentors, teachers can identify their strengths and areas for improvement and work on developing new strategies and techniques. Number 2, increased confidence. By practicing their skills in a supportive environment, teachers can increase their confidence in their abilities. This can help them deliver more effective instruction in a classroom and may lead to more positive outcomes for students. Number 3, professional growth. Engaging in micro-teaching can be an important part of professional growth and development for teachers. By continually reflecting on their practice, receiving feedbacks and implementing new strategies, teachers can continue to improve their skills and effectiveness over time. Number 4, collaboration and networking. Micro-teaching sessions typically involve working with colleagues and mentors, which can provide opportunities for collaboration and networking. This can help teachers build stronger professional relationships and expand their network of contacts within the teaching community. Let's talk about how to plan and implement micro-teaching. Planning and implementing micro-teaching sessions in schools can be a valuable tool for teachers' career development. Let us discuss some steps to consider. Number 1, identify the skills and areas to focus on. Determine what specific skills or areas of instruction you want to address in the micro-teaching session. This could include lesson planning, classroom management, instructional strategies, or any other area of professional development that you want to address. Number 2, choose participants. Select teachers who are interested in improving their skills and who would benefit from the session. This could be a group of colleagues within your school or district, or you could invite teachers from other schools to participate. Number 3, set goals and objectives. Identify clear goals and objectives for the session based on the skills and areas you have identified. This will help keep the session focused and ensure that everyone is working towards the same outcome. Number 4, plan the lesson. Prepare a brief lesson that addresses the skills or areas you want to focus on. The lesson should be designed to be delivered in a short amount of time, usually from 15 to 30 minutes, and should provide ample opportunities for participants to observe and provide feedback. Number 5, conduct the session. Set up the micro-teaching session in a safe and supportive environment and ensure that everyone involved understands the goals and objectives. Have the teacher deliver the lesson while other participants observe and take notes. After the lesson, have participants provide feedback to the teacher, focusing on what went well and what could be improved. Number 6, reflect on the feedback. Encourage the teacher to reflect on the feedback received and identify specific strategies and techniques to improve their skills in the identified area. Encourage ongoing reflection and professional development to continue to improve teaching skills and advance in their career. In summary, micro-teaching is an effective tool for teachers' professional development. It provides a safe and supportive environment for teachers to practice new teaching skills and techniques, gain confidence in their abilities, and receive constructive feedbacks on their teaching effectiveness. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.